Yo, what is going on, everybody? So today we are actually bringing the GTI to the dyno shop, and we are starting off with my brother's 1950 full bolt-on Cobra Jet 93 right now. So he's gonna go first. We're gonna see what he makes. Then I am letting my car cool off, and we're going to see what that makes afterwards. So stay tuned. .47, 380 torque for the first one. Should be interesting to see if they could get a little more on the second pull. For this one. Your torque is a little higher though. Very close numbers here. Very close consistent as hell. Now it's 447, 444, across the board. This was in 446. So I'm mad with the numbers considering the temperature and
hell yeah. Let's do that.
Here.
All right, so we got the car, getting the car up, we're gonna be getting it strapped down. We're gonna see what this old girl could do. All right guys, so we're just finishing up, getting everything tightened up, getting the oxygen thing plugged in the back, clamping that down, and then we are going to see, it's gonna be a fourth gear pull. It's the 1-to-1. Gonna have the hood open, hopefully it doesn't set off any weird things that go off with the car because it's sensing the doors open, so we shall see. Come on.
That's right around where you thought it would make it too, right?
Yeah.
All right. Yo, hey, that's consistent. That's consistent numbers, dude. That's consistent as fuck. Hell yeah.
Dude, I can't wait to see how much your car will make.
Woo! On the 85, man. That shit gonna be wild.
Your car should be in the 500 on the 85.
It should. Dude, that is crazy. The same horsepower each pull, bro. Let's fucking go, bro.
It should.
Alright, y'all, so I say that's pretty damn consistent. Full volt tank 85 multi-port, low pressure fuel pump, 32 PSI, 470. I'll round down a little bit and up from the 467 to the 470. So 470, that is way more than what I thought. I only thought I was gonna make like 430, maybe 440, but holy shit. Damn, dude, this is insane. Cannot wait to actually run some people. I haven't ran anybody yet. Just been so busy with work, getting the car running good, and now it is. So we'll see. We'll get some videos out.